Who wants some smoke? Because I'm bringing the smoke. What's going on, BSG? So today video, this here's the smoke I'm bringing y'all right there. This here is the smoke. Now that is a smoke machine. It's called PROLINE Pro. It is a smoke machine. I got off of eBay. Paid about 75 bucks for it, somewhere in there. And this is everything that it comes with. Except for I got the cheaper version because I didn't order this here. What I found out was that you can use baby oil, put it into the machine, and it'll do the same thing. So it comes with a regulator, an air regulator, so it can be set at 1 ps. Well, this regulator is set at 1 psi, so it's not going to be pumping out a bunch of air to this system. It runs off your battery, which is what we have here. Your battery, and it comes with a fuse connection right there. Now, turn y'all this way. The reason why I'm doing this is because when I was with the tuner and we was tuning this vehicle, the idle wouldn't go up under 1,000, and we got the idle set like around 800, 900, somewhere in there, but the idle wouldn't refuse to go past that. So what he told me was that I have a vacuum leak, and I went and I put a BBK throttle body on there. Now this right here is I just got this on here for right now to block off any possible air coming out of there. So that's closed off. So with this system here, there's different ways you can run it, but the way I'm going to run it is that I'm going to run it through, well, let me see, make sure you guys can see this. I'm going to run it through my brake booster hose. Alright, so another thing is about this system is that this thing will get extremely hot. So you see the surface that I have it sitting on? Let me show you that. Have it sitting on something that it's not going to tip over or anything like that. That thing is very, very hot. You don't want to touch it. It's going to be hot during use and after use. Now, my understanding is that you need to let this thing warm up. So let's connect this thing here and get it to warm up. Oh, also, don't have your car running when you're doing this, okay? All right, so let's see. So it's not hot yet. So we're gonna let it warm up and see what it do. Let's turn it on. I think it's on right here. Yeah, it's on. Got a switch on there. So let's let it. Oh, see the smoke coming out? Got to be able to see the smoke. Let's see here. Okay, not hot yet. So what I'm gonna do here is let me connect this thing here before it get too hot. There we go. Now, right now, I guess we can say that it's running, and we waiting for some possible smoke to come up. So we just gonna wait and see what she do. Uh-oh. Y'all see that? Uh-oh. See smoke. Okay. So, see this here, this piece here is cracked. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see that? It's coming through the throttle body too, but that's okay. I needed to take that off. That's what I should have did. Yeah. Let me cut that off, y'all. And I'm gonna go get some tape. We're gonna pull that throttle body off. And, hot damn, we got smoke coming out of that mug right there. We're gonna tape off this. We're gonna tape off this whole throttle body. All right, guys, so we back at it. So I taped that up. And so to make sure that nothing can come out of there. Directions told me I was supposed to tape that up, but in a rush, I forgot. So need to tape that one up. All right, so let's turn this thing back on. Let's get the smoke going to it. Give it a minute. And I kind of wish this thing would pump out, would kick out a little more air. That's what I wish. So it can, so the smoke can bellow out. That's what I wish. But it's not, so we'll work on this pace. So we're back to waiting again. Now, should have been, oh, we got smoke coming from right there. Yes, we do. Smoke coming from right there. So we know there's a vacuum leak right there. I got smoke from over here. Is it coming through this thing here? It's coming through there. But that is leaking. That is leaking something terrible. Or is it coming from somewhere else? Hey, also do this in a well ventilated area. You don't want to do this in a closed in space, because they say this smoke is harmful, even though it's baby oil. So we got smoke coming from here. We got it coming from over there. Now, I don't know what the deal is on that one. I'm trying to make sure that we don't have nothing coming from anything else. Hey, it's coming right through this tape. Yeah, it's coming through my tape. That's why it's doing that. As a matter of fact, it's damn like baby oil coming through that damn thing. Let's see if we can close this off. I'm trying to see, make sure it's not coming from nowhere else besides that spot over there. See, this thing comes with a, I should have ordered the kit to plug this up properly, but I didn't, trying to be cheap. And when you do cheap stuff, you get cheap results. So we got to do what it do, make it work. Okay. All right. So I know that is what it is. That right there. It's coming through here. So I'm gonna even unblock it. See that? It's coming right through here, which is what it's supposed to anyway. Because air comes through there. But I know for sure it's coming through there, which the intake will take care of that. And this thing here is leaking. It's leaking bad. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me get y'all off of there. Give y'all a quick eye view of this shit. Well, that shit stinks. I'm gonna cut it off for a minute. Alright. You can see this piece right here. That mug is coming out of there. Yep, it's coming right out of there. That thing is all cracked and everything. See? This thing here. Smoke is coming out of it. Yep. So we got that spot there. And this spot right here. You see that thing? It's all wet. That damn baby oil. Got it all damn messed up. Mushy. Damn. I didn't know. I thought baby oil was just supposed to smoke. It's all wet and everything else. Jesus Christ. Yep. So guys, that is the quick test. So now I need to go buy some plugs and yeah, I need to go buy some plugs and seal that intake up to push through that filter. And I think we have our deal down, proper idle that we need. And then we're gonna get plates on this thing and start driving it. Well, I'm gonna start driving it once I get home. I'm not gonna drop it to work yet, anything like that, because I still got the top I need to square up. But then I mean I gotta buy some other stuff. But it's neither here or there. So let me get. It's gonna take me a couple days to get these plugs and stuff like that. So let me find out where to get the plug. I might have to order them online. I don't know. And I'm only talking about the plug that's over here on the side, the one that's still pushing that smoke out. I'm only talking about that plug right there, and my intake, which is just coming out of the intake. I need to cover. Also, I need to get that plug up there for those. This plug right here. If y'all see these right here, this is some shrink wrap that I put on there. So. Look at that. Now, look at that. My idle's not even touching. So I get that plug up. That means I'm gonna have to damn up my idle, because my idle is going to be nothing if I don't once I get these vacuum leaks plugged up. Alright guys, so it's a couple of days later here. So let me show you something first right quick. This here is the throttle body that I bought. It's this BBK 1600 75mm throttle body and EGR spacer. So that's this whole thing right here, 75 millimeters. And I'm probably gonna have to open this up a little bit, because just to get more air in there as possible. Also, so let's we put on our pieces here. So we blocked this off, blocked that one off, and we already had that one blocked, and we blocked the one that was up under there. Now let's get some air going through this thing, the system, and let's see what we got. All right. Let's turn it on. All right. Just remember, I got this rag jammed in there. I'm expecting the air to come out of there. I'm expecting it to mean not air, but smoke to come out of there, because you can't seal that up. I'm expecting that to do that. That's what's supposed to happen. But as long as there's no air, there's no smoke coming from nowhere else. And I'm thinking we're looking pretty good, y'all. As you can see, I can't get this thing to plug because I don't have the actual plug kit. So I'm doing it shady tree stuff, so this should be good to go. And I need to figure out all of this. I need to find some way to clean that up some. I don't like it. It needs to get cleaned up. So we see that we have nothing else leaking. So let us cut this off. As you can see, you got smoke coming from over there, but there's nowhere else. So we're gonna cut that off. And we're gonna pop that out of there and let it smoke. And we're gonna release that air. Put that down there. Yeah. We're gonna see if we can't get this thing started. Oh, before we do that, let's go over here. Put all this stuff here put together. So the last one I had on here was a 65. And this one here is considerably much bigger. Oh my goodness. Get some juice going. So guys, so let me turn y'all this way because that thing is kind of, matter of fact, I'm gonna sit my butt down. So we did our leak, vacuum leak check, and we found our leaks. So we fixed those. Only thing left to do on this thing here is we got to reset the two things I gotta do. I got to reset the throttle body with the Terminator X, and I got to set it here as well because right now it's not touching at all. There's a set screw that pushes on the throttle body that sets it at a certain RPM, and it's not even touching the throttle body. I mean, not the throttle body, but the throttle cable whatsoever. So I gotta set that. But our whole thing here was to take that smoke machine, find out vacuum leaks, and we did a little icing on the cake was we bought this thing here, which was, he told me, he said the one I had, which was, in fact, let me get it. Was this one right here. And yeah, this here is extremely small. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. Matter of fact, it was whistling, and it was just causing a whole bunch of havoc. And I thought I had something good, which has been on here for a long time. But we are slowly but surely getting this thing together. Now I just need to start driving it, and the guy showed me how to do logging and everything, and how to reset all my parameters once I come back from driving it. So, and I set it up in my inside my car too, where I can plug in and drive at the same time, and also look at my dash. So I got all that set and squared away, which I'll show you guys once we start driving it. I get it one day and we go for a drive. But after this, I think I'm gonna be working on a Dodge Challenger. Then after that, we getting back on that thing over there. All right, and I'll show you, get you guys some updates. If you guys are looking to support me, the best way to support me, man, is hit that subscribe button. If you guys has been here before and you've seen what's going on here and you haven't subscribed, then hit that subscribe button, man, so we can so this channel can move on to the next level. All right, so with everything being said, we completed our mission. So like, comment, subscribe, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.